Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make a really quick and easy creamy broccoli salad. To get started, we're making bacon bits. Cook 8 slices of bacon until crispy. I used my air fryer for this. While the bacon is cooking, you can prepare the rest of the salad ingredients. Cut up 2 broccoli florets into small pieces. It will get you around 8 cups of broccoli. Add the broccoli to a large bowl. Slice 2 green onions into small pieces and add that to the broccoli. Grate 1 cup's worth of cheddar cheese and add to the bowl as well. And finally, add half a cup of dried cranberries or raisins. To make the dressing, add 1 cup of mayo to a bowl, along with 1/3 cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Give the dressing a stir and taste to see if you'd like it sweeter or more tangier from the vinegar. Now our bacon is cooled, so we can cut that into small pieces. Pour the dressing over the broccoli and stir until combined. Add salt and pepper to taste. And that's it! The perfect creamy broccoli salad. Eaten on its own or as a side dish. Delicious! Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.